Everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, your host, and I'm very happy that you are here with us today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Julia. Thank you for joining us again. We love helping you learn English with interesting and useful topics. Today we are talking about something that successful people do every day. It's all about morning habits.
Yes. Morning is the start of your day, and a strong morning can create a strong life. Many successful people follow simple routines every morning, and these habits help them stay focused, healthy, and happy.
We want you to improve your English and also improve your life at the same time. So in this podcast, we will share 7 great morning habits that many successful people follow. These habits are easy to learn, and you can start with just one.
While you listen, try to repeat some sentences or write down new words. That will help you grow your English skills too.
So get ready. We are going to learn about powerful morning habits that can make every day better.
All right, let's begin. Habit number 1, wake up early. So the first habit is simple, but also very powerful. Wake up early. Many successful people wake up earlier than others. They start their day before the world gets busy.
That's true. When you wake up early, you have more quiet time. No noise, no rush, no stress. You can think better and focus on what is important.
Exactly. It feels like you have extra time. Some successful people say waking up early gives them 1 more hour of life every day.
Yes. And you don't need to wake up at 4 in the morning. Even waking up just 20 or 30 minutes earlier can help. You can use that time for yourself, not for school or work.
You can stretch, drink water, read, or plan your day. Waking up early makes your brain more active and positive.
Jason, some people might say, but I sleep late. It's hard for me to wake up early. What should they do?
Good question. You don't have to change overnight. Try to sleep 10 or 15 minutes earlier each day. Tiny steps. After 1 week, you can wake up 1 hour earlier without stress.
Yes, small changes make big results. And remember, successful people don't just wake up early for work. They wake up early to grow themselves.
That's a great point. When you wake up early, you are already ahead. You start the day strong. So give it a try. Set your alarm a little earlier tomorrow.
You might be surprised how much it changes your day.
Awesome. Let's go to the next habit. Habit number 2, hydrate your body. Habit number 2 is to hydrate your body. Hydrate means to give your body water. After sleeping all night, our bodies become dry because we don't drink water for many hours.
Yes, exactly. When you wake up, your brain and body need water to start working well again. A glass of water in the morning is like turning on a light inside your body.
Water helps your mind wake up. It can make you feel less tired and think more clearly. Even successful people say that drinking water in the morning gives them more energy and focus.
A lot of people drink coffee immediately after waking up, but water is more important. Water first, coffee later. Your body will thank you.
Right. And it doesn't have to be a big change. Just keep a glass or a bottle of water near your bed. When you wake up, drink it before checking your phone or doing anything else.
Yes, that's an easy way to build this habit. And if you want, you can add lemon for a fresh taste and extra vitamins. Many people enjoy that.
Drinking water in the morning is a small habit, but it can make a big difference. It helps your skin, your heart, and your brain perform better all day.
So remember, everyone, when you wake up tomorrow, drink water first. Give your body a fresh start.
Nice. Let's continue. Habit number 3. Morning exercise. Habit number 3 is morning exercise. Successful people move their bodies early in the day. You don't need a gym or special equipment. Even simple movements can make a huge difference.
Yes, exercise helps your body wake up. It sends more oxygen to your brain, so you think better and feel fresh. It's like pressing the start button for your body.
Some people might think exercise must be hard and long. That's not true. Even 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or walking can help you feel stronger and more active.
You can do jumping jacks, yoga, stretching, or just dance to your favorite music. Anything that makes your body move is good for you.
Exactly. Exercise also reduces stress and improves your mood. When you move your body, you feel happier and more confident throughout the day.
And you can combine morning exercise with learning English. For example, listen to English music or short English podcasts while walking. That's a smart way to practice.
I love that idea. 2 benefits in one activity. Successful people use their time wisely like that.
If you want to start this habit, begin small. Try just 3 minutes tomorrow morning, then slowly add more time when you feel ready.
Yes, the key is to start. Your morning will feel different in a very positive way.
So move a little in the morning and make your day more powerful.
Beautiful. Let's go to the next one. Habit number 4. Practice gratitude. Habit number 4 is to practice gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for the good things in your life. Successful people start their day with a positive mind.
Yes, sometimes we wake up and think about problems or things we don't like. Gratitude helps us focus on what is going well instead. It changes the way our brain sees the world.
You can say or write 3 things you are thankful for each morning. For example, I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my health. I am thankful for learning English today.
That only takes 1 minute, but it can make your whole day brighter. When you feel thankful, you feel happier and more peaceful.
Gratitude also helps you become more confident. You remember that there are many good things in your life already. Success becomes easier when your heart is positive.
Jason, what if someone says, I don't have anything special to be thankful for?
Good question. They can start very small. Be thankful for the sunshine, for a cup of tea, for having a new morning. Even small things are important.
Yes, gratitude teaches us that happiness does not come only from big achievements. It comes from noticing everyday blessings.
So each morning, take a moment to say thank you. It's a simple habit with powerful results.
Ready for the next one? Let's continue. Habit number 5. Plan your day.
Habit number 5 is to plan your day. Successful people don't just wake up and go with the flow. They decide what is important and organize their day carefully.
That's right. Planning helps you focus on what really matters. Without a plan, it's easy to waste time or feel stressed. Even a small plan can make your day more productive.
You can start with a simple list. Write down 3 important things you want to do today. They can be small tasks, like finishing homework, practicing English, or reading a book.
Yes, and putting your tasks on paper or in your phone helps you remember them. When you check off each task, you feel proud and motivated.
Another tip is to prioritize. Do the most important or hardest task first. That way, even if the day gets busy, you have already done something valuable.
And planning doesn't take long. Even 5 minutes in the morning is enough. Successful people know that this little effort gives them control over their day.
I always tell myself, a planned day is a successful day. It's true. You feel calm, confident, and ready for anything.
So tomorrow morning, try making a short plan. You'll see how much more focused your day can become.
Great. Now let's move to habit number 6. Learn something new. Habit number 6 is to learn something new every morning. Successful people never stop learning. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
Yes, you can read a book, listen to a short podcast, watch a video, or even learn a new word in English. The key is to keep your brain active and curious.
Learning in the morning is great because your mind is fresh and focused. You understand things faster and remember them longer.
And it doesn't have to be difficult. Small steps work best. For example, learn one new English word and try to use it today, or read one paragraph from a book.
Some people like to listen to English podcasts while exercising or drinking water. That's a smart way to combine habits. You save time and improve yourself at the same time.
Learning something new every morning helps you grow as a person and gives you confidence. You feel proud when you know more than yesterday.
Exactly. Knowledge is power, and starting your day with learning gives you energy and motivation.
So remember, even 5 minutes of learning every morning can change your life slowly but surely.
Perfect. Let's go to our final habit. Habit number 7. Healthy breakfast. Habit number 7 is a healthy breakfast. Many successful people start their day with food that gives them energy and helps their brain work better.
Yes, breakfast is important because after sleeping, your body needs fuel. A healthy breakfast can make you feel more awake, focused, and ready to learn or work.
You don't need a complicated meal. Simple choices like fruits, eggs, yogurt, or oats are perfect. They give you vitamins, protein, and energy for the morning.
And avoid too much sugar or junk food. Candy, pastries, or soft drinks may taste good, but they make you tired quickly. A healthy breakfast keeps you strong and active.
Some people like to combine breakfast with another habit, like planning the day or learning something new while eating. That's a smart way to use your morning time.
Yes. Small habits like this can build big results over time. When you eat well in the morning, your body and mind work better all day.
So tomorrow morning, try a simple, healthy breakfast. It's a small change that can make your whole day better.
And that's it. 7 morning habits that can help you start every day like a successful person.
Awesome. Let's do a quick recap and share some final motivation. All right, everyone. Let's quickly recap the 7 morning habits we talked about today.
Sure. First, wake up early to get a quiet and fresh start. Second, hydrate your body with water. Third, do some morning exercise to energize your body and mind.
Fourth, practice gratitude to start your day with a positive mindset. Fifth, plan your day so you know what's important. Sixth, learn something new every morning to grow yourself.
And finally, number 7, eat a healthy breakfast to give your body the fuel it needs.
Remember, you don't have to do all 7 habits at once. Start with 1, then slowly add more. Small steps every morning lead to big changes in your life.
Exactly. Success doesn't happen overnight, but your mornings can set the tone for your whole day. Even tiny habits practiced consistently can make a huge difference.
So pick one habit, start tomorrow, and keep building. Your mornings are the secret to a stronger, healthier, and more successful life.
And while you do these habits, you can also practice English. Listen, speak, and learn new words each morning. 2 benefits in 1.
That's the power of good morning habits. You start your day strong and positive.
Now let's finish with our outro and a special call to action.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode on the 7 Morning Habits of Successful People. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring.
Yes, remember, success starts in the morning and small changes can make a big difference. Start with one habit and keep building your routine step by step.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.
And like this video if it helped you, and share it with your friends who also want to improve their mornings and their English.
We'd also love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us which morning habit you are going to start tomorrow.
And if you want more tips on learning English and personal growth, stay tuned for our next episodes. There's so much to learn and practice together.
Thanks again for joining us. Remember, your mornings can change your life, and your English can improve every day.
Have a wonderful morning tomorrow and a successful day ahead.